In modern open living spaces and busy offices, soundproof room dividers are key for making private, quiet areas without permanent changes. There are many products available to choose soundproof room dividers, each with different characteristics, benefit and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best soundproof room dividers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nicetown Total Shade Patio Door Curtain. These soundproof curtains from Nicetown are one of the best room dividers we have come so far, and thus it comes on top of our list. With these, you get noise reduction, thermal insulation, and privacy protection. Even though these curtains are made of polyester, they have the lustrous feel of velvet. The draperies are constructed of triple-weaved polyester, adding thickness and weight. The back is plain black, which is mainly for blocking sunlight and UV rays. But these two layers substantially increase the ability to absorb sound. So it does a wonderful job at separating a space, providing privacy, blocking sunlight, and minimizing noise. They are also thermally insulated, allowing them to maintain a constant temperature inside. The thick panels reflect the heat in summers and prevent the heat from emitting in winters, offering a nice and comfortable space separated from the noise, clutter, and outside conditions. The gorgeous draperies are also available in vibrant color options like red, blue, and green. But you will find plenty of neutral colors as well. It measures 95 inches in length and 100 inches in width. It's long enough to hang in high ceiling spaces with a curtain rod or S-hook, or just anything you like. Because of the great widths, it goes well with the largest sliding doors and windows. Number 2. Miele Room Divider Curtains. Miele is designed single-panel curtain with a size of 150 inches wide and 96 inches long. It easily fits various spaces, offering privacy and reducing noise. Featuring blackout technology, it ensures a dark, tranquil atmosphere ideal for uninterrupted sleep. Crafted from durable triple-weave polyester, this curtain provides long-lasting quality and excellent soundproofing, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or shared areas. Its sleek silver grommets enable easy installation and smooth sliding. Beyond its blackout function, it doubles as a room divider, enhancing privacy and functionality in dormitories, hotels, or shared rentals. Total privacy with blackout technology, triple-weave polyester construction for durability, easy installation with sleek silver grommets. Versatile usage as a room divider, energy-efficient design for temperature balance, generous dimensions of 150 WX96L. Number 3. Lordtex Dark Gray Room Divider Curtains. With triple-weave polyester fabric both at the front and back, this room divider from Lordtex looks amazing in any space. Considering the price and the features like 90% blockout, noise dampening, and plenty of colors and size options, it's a pretty good deal if you are thinking of securing a private space of your own. With these, you get to choose from a modest variety of color options. There are red, pink, blue, and neutrals like gray, white, beige, and black. These are made of thick and heavy triple-weave polyester, which dampens outside noise. However, the best part about these is that they can block up to 90% of the sunlight and UV rays. So if you value sleep and want to squeeze in some quick naps between your tight work schedule, these room dividers will create a nice, quiet, and dark environment free from the outside buzz. You can hide the mess behind it or create a separate space for your guests. These are great for city lofts, shared bedrooms, dorms, but can also be used as blackout curtains for glass doors or studio backdrops. Maintenance is simple. You can wash them in your regular washing machine. Number 4. Rib Home 3-in-1 Soundproof. Rib Home 3-in-1 Soundproof curtains serve 3 essential purposes: blocking light, reducing noise, and providing thermal insulation. Each set includes 2 panels, covering a total width of 124 inches. These curtains feature a layered design with a detachable felt lining that blocks light, UV rays, and external sounds, creating a peaceful environment suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, nurseries, or home theaters. One notable feature of these curtains is their ability to regulate room temperature, helping to insulate against both hot summers and cold winters. This reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Installation and maintenance are easy, as the curtains are machine washable, ensuring convenience and durability. Number 5. DeCanovo Room Divider Curtains. Stylish, sophisticated, and luxurious feel. If this is what you expect from your room divider, check this one out. With these room divider curtains, you can cover the annoying background noises while keeping your room looking all elegant and chic. Made of polyester and polyester blend, these curtains have the look and feel of premium velvet. These will keep your room hushed while blocking most of the sunlight from getting inside the room. The seamless finish on both the front and back sides looks suave and sophisticated from both sides. You can choose from an array of color and size options. You will love the fabric and the flowy material of this privacy room divider, and the best part is that it isn't heavy on your pockets. It's machine washable and has stainless steel grommets which will probably last for a good time. The largest one measures 15 feet in width, which is large enough to divide any room. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.